A Sunday afternoon, less than a mile from my house, driving down the road, I was hit out of the blue, just completely blindsided. Knocked into a ditch, all 4 airbags deployed, which trapped me in the car. Didn't know those things emitted this sort of dust or something like that, so I thought the car was on fire. I struggled my way to get out of the car and ended up in the hospital for a few days. The sound of it was terrifying. The fact that it was out of the blue was terrifying. On a Sunday afternoon, no less. Perfectly sunny day. When I got out of the hospital, I thought, do I need an injury lawyer? My first take was, I thought I could just handle it. And I get a call from his insurance company, and they said, well, we're sorry about this, we accept fault. And she said, well, would you take X amount? The first offer wasn't even going to cover what my MRI costs, not to mention the car and everything that came with it. It's a lopsided process unless you have somebody advocating for you. I reached out to DJC and said, hey, look, let me tell you the situation. And he walked me through the process. He goes, Jeff, we can handle this. Sure enough, it was, my headaches were minimized, and then I could just spend my time getting my doctor's appointments in and getting my shoulder fixed. Every phone call, every email was answered promptly and honestly and straightforward. What I would suggest to anyone is make the phone call. Don't take it on yourself. Don't handle the paperwork and the phone calls because they won't stop and you're going to get lowballed. Once you've checked in with your kids and you make sure you're okay, the next call should be to DJC because it'll be as seamless as you could imagine. There's no doubt I got my justice. In fact, I'd add, I got it even sooner than I anticipated.